Hello all, Stereo Man back at it again. And this is a house call as usual. This vehicle is a 2013 Kia Optima. It's top of the line trim level. So it's got leather, dual panel sunroof, push to start, and it has the premium sound system. So we're changing the radio in this vehicle. It has the factory nav in it right now with XM and factory backup camera. So we're changing it to this Sony that's mechless. It has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and we're going to integrate the factory backup cam with the new head unit. So we're going to go ahead, get this radio out, and then have something much more modern in here because this has navigation that doesn't work anymore. So a lot of your older vehicles with navigation, they want you to purchase the new navigation disc, which is totally not worth it at all. Just give us a call and we can equip you with a new radio that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Because like I said, navigation radios, they're almost as extinct as CDs. You don't really find too many of them, and they're just pointless. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you need this service, all you got to do is make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. See how this factory radio touchscreen barely works. You got to push real hard and everything. Super old technology, but that's why we're about to replace this. Out with the old, in with the new. As you see with this vehicle, a lot of things have to be disassembled. Lower dash, the full dash bezel, everything. And then what we're also going to have to do is remove the heating duct, the HVAC duct from right there on this factory bezel right here and attach it to the new one right here in the seat. And then be able to take the HVAC out and everything. And then you see there's the factory radio right there. Yep, a lot of stuff with this vehicle, but nothing we can't handle. And like I always say, if you have not been extensively trained in this, do not attempt it because it's very easy to cause a lot of damage in a very short period of time. So when you want the best, you make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. See, this is on Apple CarPlay, and I'm actually recording this with my iPhone. And you see steering wheel controls. They work perfect. Skip songs, everything. And then you can change the source as well from the steering wheel.
That's allcan.com.
Hey, it's your boy, nephew Tommy from the Steve Harvey Morning.
Seinfeld playing all week on my channel.
XM as well, even though the customer doesn't have an active subscription right now, but she plans on getting it. The only thing, the telephone buttons don't work on this because a lot of Hyundais and Kias, these phone buttons don't work with aftermarket radios. There's like, there's no amount of programming you can do most of the time to get these to work. And then you see the Bluetooth mic right here. And so when we have it on CarPlay, I'm going to switch back to CarPlay from the steering wheel. So it has the command button right here, which you can use to activate Siri. Now I'm recording this with my Android phone because when you hit the command button right here for either Siri or Google or whatever, it stops recording on that source that it's connected to via USB. So watch this. Hey Siri, play old school R&B playlist.
Old school R&B now playing.
You don't even have to go through the touch screen at all. Now you see it's on Android Auto. USB is connected to my Samsung phone, as you can see. You can do your maps on here, your music, everything. And see, the cool thing about Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is that the cool thing about wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is that you don't ever have to worry about your battery and your phone going dead. And there you have it, people. Another flawless install. So when you want the best, you make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace. God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install.